Hey guys, in my hands right now is the new Xiaomi Mi 9. Now, as you can see, they come in really nice colors, and if you're outside of China, you're gonna get your hands on these a lot sooner than you could before.
The first thing you'll notice about the Xiaomi Mi 9 are the colors. There are 3 colors that will be available globally. There's a blue, a purple, and a black. Yes, there are 3 cameras on the back. The main camera can take pictures up to 48 megapixels in size. However, Xiaomi says the phone will use its AI to put together a very clean and sharp 12 megapixel image by default. If conditions are right, the Mi 9 can take a full 48 megapixel picture if you want. One of the rear cameras shoots ultra-wide pictures. Xiaomi says it uses its software to correct for wide-angle distortion. Unfortunately, we didn't get to test that out in our hands-on. On the front, you'll find a 20 megapixel front-facing camera. To unlock, you can use the in-screen fingerprint sensor. For my short time with the phone, the sensor was very responsive. The phone is very light and feels sturdy in the hand. The Mi 9 is using Xiaomi's MIUI software on top of Android 9 Pie. You won't find an app drawer here. Instead, it's kind of like iOS with icons right on the home screen. To access your already running apps, you'll have to use a gesture. Slowly swipe up and you can access an app switcher. Everything felt plenty snappy going from app to app, and that's probably because of the internals. Inside, you'll find the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. In tests, the 855 performed up to 45% faster than last year's model, the Snapdragon 845. The global edition of the Xiaomi Mi 9 will ship with 6 GB of RAM. There are 2 storage options at 64 gigs or 128 GB of internal space. There is no expandability though. There is a 4th model that will be available in China only. It's a Xiaomi Mi 9 Special Transparent Edition. It's similar to the Mi 8 Pro in that there's a back that shows a representation of the internal components. You're not really getting a look into the phone. This beast will come with 12 GB of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. All the models support Qi wireless charging, as well as Xiaomi's Charge Turbo feature. Xiaomi showed us 2 wireless chargers that support Charge Turbo, a pad and a car dock. They are capable of charging a Mi 9 at 20 watts. To put that another way, Xiaomi says you'll be able to take a Mi 9 from dead to 100% charge in 1 hour and 40 minutes wirelessly.
This has been the Xiaomi Mi 9. We'll have full reviews at CNET.com. Thanks for watching.